when the film is on the glass, one of the things that I want to make sure it's wet so that my squeegee doesn't drag on it dry. So I hold one edge so that it doesn't move, and I go in the opposite direction. So you notice I'm not on top of the glass, I'm around about 1.5 inches from the edge. My first squeegee is just to tackle enough so that I can adjust my edge and make sure it's it's a micro edge, let's put it this way. Now that it's in place, now I'm gonna squeege the top just to get the water out. And now I'm gonna squeege the water that it's there away from the glass. If I have to do any adjustment, now is the time to do. So I make my edge as nice as I can do, and then I'll dry the top. Then I'll get one of my squeegees and get the top squeegee over here inside the channel, just to make sure there's no water. That creates a pocket over there. And now I'm ready to put this glass up. And I am gonna help the glass to go out in that direction so that the film doesn't get caught here. To make sure my edge is right. Now I'll make whatever adjustment I need to make. And if there is an issue like that, I just bring it back and in. I'll get it wet again. And now I'm gonna get this water out. On the edges, I want the squeegee to be in this position because it's bringing the water from here into the channel and down. I don't want that water to come back because there is a chance it will bring some contamination with it. So I got that done. I got this done. When I do this edge, I switch the angle of the squeegee, and now I'm gonna go down. You notice I didn't go all the way down? It's very important. If I had gone all the way down, there was a possibility of the water coming back and bringing perhaps some contamination that it's here. That's why I stopped here. Because now when I go down with it, I can go fast enough that will not give time for the water to come back. So here's what I'm gonna do. Now this is the first pass. I call it the spreading pass. Now that I spread the film on the glass, now I'm going to take the water off this film. And now I am going to really put some pressure on it. Very important, you need to notice that I am overlapping about 1/2 inch, okay, every time I go by. So that I leave no streaks of air pockets in there. And this is done. Good?